Quite a few minutes early. I don't know why I decided to tune in so early. So it's 7:26 now. We'll start in 4 minutes. So if you're watching replay, you may want to just fast forward to the beginning of the meditation. And as always, if you want to say hi, please do so in the comments. Quite a few minutes early. Matryoshka, you're blocking the entire view. Sorry about that. Good morning, Belle. Good morning, Marilena. Matryoshka, come on. Buenos dias, Judy. Good morning, Jennifer. Good morning, Gina. Matryoshka, come back. Come back. I am feeding quite a few cats now that were abandoned. So I'm always afraid that my cat is gonna go try to socialize with them. It may not end well. Matryoshka, come back. Before we start, I want to show you the mudra for today. If you want to do a hand position together with your meditation, we're going to do the sacral chakra meditation. And the mudra for that is called Garuda mudra, and this is how it is. Let's see if I can put my... Yeah, you hook the thumbs together and you open your hands like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. But of course you don't have to do it. That's it, the cat is gone. Matryoshka, come back. Come back. Oi, oi, oi. All right, it is 7:30 here. Let's start. Today we're going to explore the sacral chakra, the second chakra, in a bit more detail, like we did with the root chakra yesterday. This one is called Svadhisthana in Sanskrit and represents our sexuality, emotions, physical creation. And in the endocrine system, it corresponds to the gonads. The color here is orange. And Some essential oils you may want to try: sandalwood, jasmine, rose, ylang ylang. This chakra relates to the entire sacral area of the body: hips, low back, abdomen, reproductive system. Also, it relates to the watery aspects of the body: bladder, kidneys, urinary tract. So persistent problems in any of these areas may indicate unresolved issues in the sacral chakra. So let's begin our meditative exploration visualization. Take a comfortable position. Pause and inhabit this pause with all your senses, as we always do at the beginning. Bring your awareness to the breath, noticing the rise and fall of the chest, the natural rhythm of your breathing. Sit with it for a few moments. If you'd like to dedicate your practice to somebody in your life or all sentient beings, you can repeat after me. May they be happy, healthy, and free. May they be filled with loving kindness. Let yourself root down through your sits bones if you're on the floor, your feet if you're in a chair, or if you're lying down, root through the back of your body. And if you'd like to, you can add the hand position, Garuda Mudra, to this practice. You create it by hooking your thumbs together and stretching the rest of your fingers out. Just make sure that it doesn't create any tension in your arms and shoulders. Soften and relax from the inside out. Now bring your attention to the organs of your body that create life, your creative center. In the area of your pelvis, a little bit below your belly button. An orange light activates there. First, it's the size of a pin. And as you breathe, allow it to grow to the size of a marble. With another breath, expand this energy sphere to fill your entire lower body, the sacral area. And with a few more breaths, allow this light to expand more and more until it envelopes your entire body swirling in a circular motion around you, surrounding you. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common sacral chakra affirmations. You can repeat all of them or just some that resonate best with you. I love myself, heart, mind, and body. I take good care of my body. I am healthy, physically and mentally. I'm open to life and all that it has to offer. I have confidence and a zest for life. I am sensual and express myself in healthy ways. I allow myself to feel the pleasures and abundance of life. I feel connected to others. I am a powerful creator and add beauty to this world. I draw healthy boundaries. I am radiant, beautiful, and strong. I enjoy a healthy and passionate life. I am the source of unlimited happiness. I express my joy into the world. I radiate joy and generosity of spirit. The orange light still surrounds you. Allow your body to absorb it, to get infused with this creative energy. You are loved. You are open to life in all its expressions. You have the right to feel, to want, without apology, without shame. You are a radiant, beautiful being leading a passionate life. You're supported by the universe and those around you. You trust in the abundance of life. Bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rhythm of it, the rise and fall of each inhale and exhale. And for the next minute, with each exhale, you can recite the Bija mantra VAM, V-A-M, Victory, Amy, Maria, VAM, VAM, VAM. Do it at your own pace. I'm going to give you a minute or so. Visualizing this orange light filling you with creativity, with the energy of abundance, reminding you of your own precious radiance, your own beauty, your own creative powers. Vam, Vam. When you're ready, relax into your natural rhythm of breathing. Release the mantra. Perhaps scan your body to notice how you're feeling right now. Mentally, physically, emotionally. And only when you're ready, gently start coming back. Take your time. There is absolutely no rush. As always, I thank you so much for being here, for sharing your beautiful presence through this virtual space that we create together. And I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you tomorrow.